Hey, what's up guys? Adam at Time Warp here. I just wanted to jump in real quick because I get a lot of questions about these image transfers. Right now I'm mixing up a white base coat 1-to-1 with urethane reducer, and then I'm going to spray this directly on top of the image. Now there's a couple of different methods for this. Right now I'm working on clear Waterslide decal paper, and it's just printed out using a regular inkjet printer. Now if you're wanting to learn the other method, I'll have it linked at the end of this video. So all the materials, and including that decal paper, it's on Amazon. You'll find that link down in the description. A couple of things with this method that you want to keep in mind is that the transfer needs to be applied to sanded clear coat. And also if you have any kind of words or anything like that, you're going to want to make sure you mirror the image before you print. You can hit this with a heat gun to speed up the process if you want. I like to wait at least 24 hours to make sure no bubbles or anything appear before sending it through its first round of clear coat.